In Daniel chapter 4, verse 34 to 35, we read that at the end of that time, I, Nebuchadnezzar, raised my eyes toward heaven, and my sanity was restored. Then I praised the Most High. I honored and glorified Him who lives forever. So, what is the meaning of my sanity was restored? When we read other translations, one of the translations is King James Version. It says that Nebuchadnezzar lifted up his eyes and his understanding returned to him. His understanding returned to him. That means his sanity was restored. Many times we face fall, our health deteriorating, we go through financial crisis, we feel like giving up, we feel discouraged, we feel lost, we face failure, and that's the time we feel like nothing is working and no one can help. But what you have to do, as Nebuchadnezzar did, he raised his eyes toward heaven. Try raising your eyes toward heaven when you are inside your home, when you are in a isolated place. Try raising your eyes toward heaven. And the moment you do that, your prayer will be heard. And as Nebuchadnezzar praised the Most High for listening to his cry and honored and glorified Him, same way we need to praise and glorify God and honor Him, because He is a ruler. His kingdom endures from generation to generation. Amen.